Hey guys, we're back. We're going to brush up on some of our facets with the roof pitch. I don't know if I covered that enough, but I know there was a couple of questions, and I just wanted to give a quick video to go a little bit more in depth. Um, so what we're doing is we're basically just measuring the outside of this house. This is my house, really easy house. We're just measuring the outside. But as in another video, in a future video, what you may see is there's a roof pitch right here, and this actually looks, it's going to be different measurement than when we're looking overhead because there's a pitch, we have some altitude. So in order to get this measurement, what we have to do is we have to use the pitch. So we get this over here, we have this little roof pitch. Typically you just hold it up to the monitor is what I do. We have one printed out. Then you put this like kind of right in the corner here, and then as you can see, we're somewhere between a 4 and a 5. It's not really that big of a difference between a 4 and a 5. It's not that serious if you don't get it exactly on. We want to be as close as possible, but I don't want you guys to stress out about, oh, is this a 5 or a 6? It's not that big of a difference. And typically, all the pitches in the roof are typically all going to be the same. So this pitch is going to be equal to that pitch and this pitch and all the ones in the corner. So when we go to our roof snap, we can call it a 4. Um, we built this entire house out just so that we can get the measurements. But in order to just get these measurements, we really only need to figure out, um, we have this measurement, we have all this other stuff. We just need to figure out what these are. So we could even remove some of these just to show you guys. You don't have to build out the whole roof like this. And then what you would do is you go up to facets, and then it already has the 4 in there. But if it said 0, you would go hit this 4, then you would hit 4, and then 4. This one says 0. Again, we're not measuring it. If you wanted to do all the facets at once, you would just hit a 4 up here, and it changes them all. In order to turn one off, you could always just hit the back button and go back or go forward, whatever you want. But if you just want to do one at a time, you would just hit this left side, then you just click on the button. Again, if you wanted to do all the facets, just hit the plus symbol, and then you would change it. So it's pretty simple stuff. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions.